Hey guys, so today I have my Pantone Color of the Year 2018 nail polish picks. So this is a collab video. I am doing this with Amanda, Amy, Holly, and Zenora. So I will link everyone's channels down below. We also, it's actually really funny how this worked out. We had planned on doing a hashtag to kind of go along with this video, so people that don't make YouTube videos or just don't want to make YouTube videos, anybody that wants to participate can kind of participate on Twitter or Instagram or whatever. And we were going to make a hashtag that everybody could use so they could show their Pantone 2018 nail polish picks. And then I think like a week ago, Clare Gray, who also makes nail polish videos here on YouTube, she posted her Pantone 2018 picks and she had a hashtag made up so everyone could participate. So it was funny how that worked out. So we ended up, rather than like just making two separate hashtags and having two different things, we figured we'll just join hers. So if you want to participate in this or post pictures to Instagram or Twitter or whatever and kind of make this like this big giant group collaboration, then the hashtag is Show Your Pantones 2018, and I will link Clare Gray's channel down below as well. So that out of the way, I have 7 polishes here all together. I'm not really sure that any of them match the Pantone Color of the Year very well. I used my phone this time. I was going to print a picture off of the computer of the color, which is ultraviolet. If you didn't know, ultraviolet is the color of the year. So I was gonna print this off, and then I was like, no, because my printer's really crappy and there's no way that that would be the right color. So I'm just going off of my phone. I figure Apple's always trying to say that their phones are like, have these amazing retina displays and they'll, you know, bring on world peace and whatnot. So I thought this would probably be the best, most color accurate thing I could get, unless I ordered the actual, whatever it is from Pantone that like comes in a physical card or whatever that has the color on it. I didn't do that. So I went by this. I have some on the darker side, some on the lighter side, and then some that are a little bit just not creams. So I'm gonna start here. This is the darkest one that I have, and this is Do You Have This Color in Stock-holm from OPI. I actually can't remember what collection this is from. Was it the Nordic collection? Maybe. I feel kind of bad. I think that's what it was from. But this is a darker, slightly bluish purple. That's how I'm looking at this ultraviolet color. I feel like it's purple, but it's also got a little bit of blue to it. So that's kind of what I was looking for here. So the darkest one that I have is OPI's Do You Have This Color in Stock-holm. The next two that I found are actually really close. I do feel like this one from China Glaze is just a little bit brighter, but if I look really closely at the bottle, it has a very slight blue shimmer to it, and I think that might be what's making the difference here. But this is I Got a Blue Attitude, and I looked this up earlier to see if I had this swatched, and now I can't remember what collection this is from either. I'm gonna have to Google it. Okay, so this is China Glaze I Got a Blue Attitude, and this is from the 2016 summer collection. So again, it's a purple, but it has a little bit of a blue tint to it, and this also has a very slight blue shimmer. It's so slight in the bottle. And I honestly don't remember this having shimmer when I swatched it. I might have mentioned it. It was a long time ago, I don't remember, but it's so subtle in the bottle, it's not gonna show up very well on the nails, but it is in there. The next one that I have is from OPI, and this is a very, very similar color to the China Glaze. This is Lost My Bikini in Molokini, and this is from the Hawaii collection. Again, very similar color, purple, slight blue hint to it, but this one is a cream, there's no shimmer involved. I do feel like when you stick them together, I don't know, the China Glaze almost has a little bit of a, I don't want to say neon, but like a brighter, more summery quality to it than the OPI does. Okay, I have two that are on the lighter end of the spectrum here. I wanted to get something that was similar in tone. Actually, this Essie looks pretty decent, but this OPI is a little bit brighter. I wanted to get something that was similar in tone, but not as dark as the Pantone color, because sometimes you want lighter colors. So this one is from Essie. This is Shade On. This is pretty spot on from what my phone is showing me anyway. And this is, again, a purple. This is lighter than the ones that I've already shown. I'd classify this a little more around medium, but it has that little slight bit of a blue tone to it. And the lightest color that I have here, which probably doesn't technically match the Pantone color, but I did want to just throw something that wasn't like the exact same color in there. And this is Do You Lilac It. I have this in the Infinite Shine just a couple years ago. I think when they were first pushing out the Infinite Shine and starting to put core colors into it, they sent out a PR box that had Infinite Shine core colors, and I had actually never tried this one in the regular version. So I have an Infinite Shine. I would assume that the color is exactly the same. I've never gotten a particularly longer amount of wear out of Infinite Shine polishes. Everything kind of chips on me really easy. But that's the version I have this one in, so that's what I'm showing you. And again, this is Do You Lilac It. Similar, again, lighter purple, a little bit of a blue tone. This is a hard video to do because I feel like I'm just showing you the same color over and over again. Like, why do I need 7? Why can't I just show you 1? So anyway, the other 2 that I have, I wanted to do something that was, and these are, I mean, like, I'm looking at these together and they really don't even remotely fit ultraviolet, but the purples, I'm gonna throw them in here. They're kind of an alternative. There's a texture polish and then one with a pretty strong shimmer. So Seas and Greetings is this China Glaze polish. This is from their holiday collection last year. This is a purple, slightly blue toned purple with a pretty strong shimmer that shifts from pink to gold. And I kind of took all my drawers out and I was taking purple polishes out and holding them up against my phone like one at a time. And this one wasn't exact, but it was close enough and then had a little bit of a different twist to it that I wanted to include it. And then I have this Zoya Pixie Dust in Alice, and actually, when I pulled this out, I felt like it was a lot more purple. And then I was going through my swatches on my computer this morning to see which ones I already had swatches of, and my swatch looked so blue on my computer, and now that I'm looking at it with all these lights on, it does look a little bit more like on the periwinkle side, but I'm gonna throw it in here anyway. So yeah, it's considerably more blue. But this is a texture polish. This has a bunch of silver and blue and then almost like little purpley pink specks to it. It is a little bit more on the periwinkle side. It's like if you took the blue tone that I've been seeing in all the other polishes and really saturated it, that would be this one. This is a texture polish, which I personally love, but if you're not super into that, you can always top coat it and get the shimmer and the different shifty colors without having to deal with the gritty texture. But that is Zoya's Alice. And that's it. That's all of my 2018 Pantone Color of the Year Ultraviolet nail polish picks. So again, I will link everyone's channel down below as well as Clare Gray, and I will link the hashtag that we're gonna use so that everybody can participate. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.